Okay, so let me see. All right, back it up. Okay, so what's gonna happen is nếu tôi nếu cho nó nè, okay, cái này tôi muốn để chia tạo, nếu muốn chia thì ta sẽ nói muốn lu sleeve cho là attach to the other videos that I go on, uchi taya. So this one I'm gonna record it. Hopefully, you guys are able to see it, and camera is actually sitting on a stand. So yeah, I don't have anybody helping me right now. Okay, so the shirt, the whole of the shirt, and then you guys, Logan, stop. I need you to go play. And then nếu mà lúc mình chú tự nó nè, nếu mà mình chú tự nó nè, okay. And then you guys are just gonna work with this top layer for right now. So this is the sleeve, and you guys are gonna stick the sleeve in like this. And then nếu mà lúc cho sẽ tao nè, nị tì nè, Logan. And then tao có một nị tì tao lên nó nè, chỉ có mua khó có muốn to mark the needle center, which is right here because I ironed it, so I know where my marking is at. You're gonna line it up with the top of Galuchana. Okay, you should iron it already. Then just pin it all the way around. Okay, so that's the pin. Lu shasho ton na sana. Need mo lu ming for tighten na. Okay, so to ne mo sa. This is my other one. Ne mo lu ming na. Do not push it down because we're not working with it. We're just working with this top layer of tighten. Okay, and then come on and Joe Lotto top one. No, you come on the pin, and then you're gonna sew it all the way around. Okay. that's that. Let me cut these strings. Okay. Alright. So okay? So it's gonna look beautiful and nice like this. Okay. And then cái sleeve nó có một chút tự lọ. And now we're gonna work with luming. Okay. So I didn't mark this one. I'm gonna have to mark it. Okay, so that's my center for my top, and then my bottom, and then có một lúc mình nữa nè. Thì nó có một lúc mình khó cho lúc mình á lúc cho tay tròn cho nó做了呢, okay? So to get a nice clean look, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna actually have to kind of flip this open like this, and then the center of lúc cho mình nè, muốn cho nó match up to okay, so you're gonna match it up like this, and you guys are gonna pin it all the way around like this. So this is actually the good side, and let's just say this is the good side or the inside of the shirt itself. And what you're gonna do is you're actually gonna pull it out this way, and then this shirt is gonna go up like that, and it's going to go like that, okay? And then you're gonna pin it all the way around, and we're gonna sew it. Okay, and let's pin the other side. Okay, and now we're gonna sew all the way around. And this time you can't just do what we did earlier where you actually stick the arm in here. Now you just gotta hold it on the outside and then sew it all the way around, little by little. Okay. So. Aww. Put the kitty down. throw it away, and flip his shirt back. Alright, so final product. Arm on it, okay? And then, now, một lúc mình thấy nè. Có một sợi tay, có một lúc mình nó trú nó gì. Now to look at the finished product, I'm gonna flip it. And it's gonna look like this. So, what's that? Hopefully you guys get it.